Hi, Rachel. Rachel, where are your babies? Rachel, where are your little kids? I haven't seen them for a while. Rachel? Rachel. Rachel. She's a pretty girl. A pretty little mummy Kuni. Are you, Rachel? People don't like raccoons. No. And they said, don't feed those raccoons, whatever you do. That's against the law. You shouldn't feed raccoons, that's what they told me.